Hello, my name Amir Hussain. I'm BB student of University of People. My course name is ENGL 000801 Intermediate English 2. Based on my topics pre-writing for compare and contrast essay, oral assignment questions and answer, I provide answer based on topic. What is the topic you selected? I selected the topic of studying online versus studying in a traditional classroom. What did you select this topic? I selected this topic because I have personal experience with both learning formats, which allows me to compare them clearly using real examples. What are you planning to compare or contrast? I am planning to compare and contrast the learning environment, flexibility, interaction, and instructors and classmates, communication style, motivation, and overall effectiveness of online learning and traditional classroom learning. What criteria will you use to make your comparisons? I will use criteria such as schedule flexibility, access to learning materials, communication and interaction, student motivation, and self-discipline, common challenges and learning outcomes. What is the main point that you want your readers to learn from your essay? The main point is that both online and traditional classroom learning have strengths and limitations, and the better option depends on students' need, learning style, goals, and ability to stay engaged. Thank you.